Gold and silver traded with moderate bullishness yesterday and today again started the day on a bullish note. We have seen gold moving all the way towards 33.45 while silver has also seen the move towards 33.50-70 zone. What to expect today? Are we looking forward to a massive rally again today? Are we looking forward to a move towards 3400 in gold? Or the highs are done and be ready for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. I am not only going to tell you the levels directly, but also going to give you the reasoning. Also will try to explain it with the help of charts and indicators why a particular level is important so that you can also develop the same understanding. And this is the only channel to do so twice a day. The next update will be there before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. You can also appreciate by sharing super thanks. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. First on the hourly chart, see gold after, see look at the pattern here, drop, retracement, and at this point I have mentioned once it breaches 3250, very clearly I have shared this is a breakout. It is going to give you a massive move. What has happened? We have seen good bullishness all the way. We have seen a little struggle at 33.20-25 zone. See, this is how it has behaved. Yesterday whole day it has struggled to break beyond 33.20 and today it has given a breakout here. Now you can notice how strong is the support now. Previously the resistance should be the support and thus 3320, 3300 is going to be the prime support, and then 3290 and 3280. These four levels are going to play the major role today. If at all gold decides to reverse 3320, 3310, 3300, 3290 and 3280. These are the levels which are going to play the major role today. If at all gold decides to reverse. Again, I'm highlighting this fact. If at all it decides to reverse. Right now the stance is pretty bullish. Notice it has shown a good rise. Now it is trying to consolidate a bit before taking a direction again. And for now 33.45-46 and 33.50 are the two levels you should watch out for, because once it trades beyond 33.50 the chances are there that we may see further aggressive bullishness today again. So this is something you should keep a note of. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic overbought here. MACD after a bit of retracement again crossing over here, and yes, it is delivering waves here, so possibly this could take it to the highs. The RSI again entering into overbought zone. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour. Similar observation here. See the rise here, the consolidation, and again the breakout. See higher lows here, higher highs here. Trading in this bullish channel. Moving averages have crossed over. Trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. And see yet again the support. This was the resistance. Now this should be the support. This should be an extremely crucial zone for the day. What is happening on the 2-hour charts after delivering couple of bullish candle? I think 33.45, 46 and 33.50, these are the two levels you should watch out for. A move beyond 33.50, 52 is where we can see aggressive bullishness, where we can look forward to the move towards 33.65 and 33.65, 66 and in fact 33.78, 80 is also possible here. Now, yes, the moving averages are certainly indicating bullishness. Stochastic, MACD and RSI all are rising and all are slightly overbought here. So this rise is slightly overstretched here for on the smaller time frames, not on the daily time frames. This rise is slightly stretched on the smaller time frames, that is 1H, 2H. And yes, when you talk about the daily charts, I'll come to this, but yes, on the daily charts, it is lot much of room on the upside. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Again, a good support, and with that is support, it is trying to rise, which is a good sign for the crossover in the moving averages is again a very good sign for the bulls here. So yes, with that is support, it is trying to bounce back. But again, let me show you something here on the 3-hour charts itself. See the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. This is a nice bearish flag formation. And yes, this is a nice flag. If at all gold decides to breach 3400, if at all gold decides to breach 3400, that should be the coming out of this channel, and then what will happen? We can again aim for 3500 levels. So this is something you should definitely keep a note of. This is very, very important. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI overbought here. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. The crossover in the moving average is a very important thing. It is looking upwards, and this channel is also equally important. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement. See how beautiful is this channel, where the highs are now towards 33. 65 and 3380 levels. And if at all, again I am highlighting, if at all gold breaches 3400, this should take it towards 3428 and then towards 3500 very very soon. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising here, RSI rising here, signs are still supportive for further rise. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, see, it has consolidated here. I have mentioned here itself that once it gives you a breakout beyond 3250, it is going to bring a stronger bulls here. What has happened? Yesterday, a moderate bullish candle is seen. Today, it is further increasing the body size. Now, one possibility that today it gives the similar size of candle and takes it all the way towards 3400. The move here was from 3200 to 3300, almost $100 move. So if at all it gives you the similar move here, you can expect that the prices are going to be towards 3420. But what I will look forward to, because see, it is getting slightly overbought on the smaller time frames, it may trade with moderate bullishness, and it may try to stay in this channel. Yes, stay in this channel. When you see the highs here towards 33 75 78 80 zone, very very strong resistances will be available till towards 3380, I will say. Also notice this is a strong flag, and once it breaks out of this, stronger bullish momentum should prevail. Though I think on the weekly charts and monthly charts, gold is extremely stretched, extremely overbought. The reversal has to be there very very soon. If not today, if not this week, then next week. If not next week, then in the next month. Yes, the reversal has to be there. Keep my words and note this down. Stochastic extremely overbought. See the MACD now, after retracing, it is now crossing over here, which is a very good sign for the bulls, and this indicates that it might continue here with the rise for a while before reversing. RSI rising. So now see how easily in just 5 minutes, under 5 minutes, we have arrived at the levels with the help of charts and indicators. We have done it live so that you can all understand, and you can also develop this understanding by yourself. If you follow these videos, if you follow this analysis, certainly you will develop the understanding. And yes, do join our 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. That will develop you the perspective on how to learn, how to understand this art of trading. So join the 33rd mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Invest in your learning first and enjoy the profits for life. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me or write over me on email, or connect with me over email for your queries. And see, once you have the trades in place, once you have the understanding, it is very very important for you to have a broker, a safer place where you can execute these trades. The broker which can offer you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. Join it through the link and you'll get the benefits associated, special spreads for you, so that you can save money by having lowest spreads. Now, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 33.46. Expect 33.50-52 as the first and immediate resistance which it should find. And even if it trades beyond 33.52, you can say 33.59 levels will come into picture. Beyond 33.59, I'll be looking forward to 33.68 and then 33.76-78. If these levels are taken, gold is going to rock, gold is going to rally. 3404, 3428, 34, and if these levels are taken, there is no looking back. There is no looking back till 3450 and 3500. I do not expect this, but yes, these are markets. On the downside now, see, ideally a selling entry has to be below 3320, but since that is far beyond, I will recommend you to sell here at 3336. Expect 3328, 33 2022, or rather I'll say 33 18 22. If 33 18 and 33 22 is taken, expect 33 10, and if 33 10 is taken, then 33 02. If 33 02 it reaches, 31 90 92, 32 90 92 and 32 80 are the four levels here. Till 32 80, I will not say gold has reversed. Below 32 80, there is no looking back. Below 32 80, again, we will aim for 32 50 and lower levels. For today, chances appears to be less for such a strong down move. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Thus stick to the levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see it is consolidated here 33, 33.20. I have mentioned this yesterday as well. Once it breaches, we can see it moving towards 33.50, 33.70 zone. It has come towards the same zone. Now 33.40 has become the next support. With that as support, it is trying to rise. Once it reaches 33.70, 75, we can aim for $34 levels. And beyond 34, sky is the limit. It's a breakout. It might try to deliver stronger moves. Moving averages, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat and it's at top as well. RSI is just entering into overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at 2 hour charts here. See consolidation, then rise, retracement, then again the rise. Now 33.40 has become the next base which it has to breach, and then 33.20 and then 33. Three key levels here for the day. If at all silver trades below 33 today, you can say the bears are taking over, else do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is at highs here, and though it can stretch the run for here, but I think it has seen a good rise, so slight consolidation is possible. RSI is also extremely overbought here. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here. Another point to note here, the consolidation and the breakout. So now once it breaches 33.70, 75, you can expect it to move towards $34 levels. Beyond 34, extreme bullishness should be seen. Remember, silver has consolidated enough here and it might continue here for a while. Moving averages here has also crossed over. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. On the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Once it breaches 33.75, you can expect a good run all the way towards 34. Be mindful, it has formed a very good base now at 33, 33.20, and with that it is rising. Also previously it has consolidated enough here and it is coming out of this consolidation zone. Just it has to breach past the double top levels here, and once this is taken, I think we are looking forward to a good rise here. Stochastic slightly overbought, MACD and RSI are rising and getting slightly overstretched, overbought. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at daily charts. Again, here we have discussed, see how strong is the support. It is formed at 32, it is consolidated enough here, and now it is giving a breakout. So now breaking out here means slightly it can trade bullish. And now see, only worry point is the drop, the retracement. Now this is coming out of this. This has given a breakout, and thus this might continue the run here for a while. So the possibility of a move towards 34 is high, and once it trades beyond 34, 34.40, and if it 34.40 is taken, this time we can aim for $35 level. Now another point to note, bullishness but diminishing body size. And today I think till 34 you have to watch out. Beyond 34 we can see a further strong momentum. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD is just trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI is rising. So now considering this, I'll recommend you to buy now at 33.75 levels. Expect it to move towards $34 levels, 34, 34.05 first target zone, 34.40 the next. If 34.40 is taken, stay bullish for 34.85, $35 levels the next targets. Possibility is there, because once it gives you a breakout, it might deliver the stronger move here. On the downside, the selling entry only has to be below 33.40. When you see the higher price below 33.40, you can take a sell, expect 33.20, 33. And if it trades below 33, we are looking forward to a greater correction. Specifically below 32.80 is where the reversal will begin, and then 32.40, $32 levels has to be there. Right now it is not showing any such sign for any such reversal. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.